Use of prescribed burns in post-wildfire restoration. Prescribed burns are a crucial technique in post-wildfire restoration efforts. These controlled fires are planned and implemented to help restore ecosystems that have been affected by wildfires. By strategically burning areas, prescribed burns can mimic the natural fire regime, reduce fire risk, and promote the regeneration of native plant species. In this tutorial, we will explore the use of prescribed burns in post-wildfire restoration and how they contribute to the overall goal of restoring ecosystems. Wildfires can have severe impacts on ecosystems, including loss of vegetation, changes in soil composition, and increased risk of invasive species. Prescribed burns can help address these issues by promoting the growth of native plants, reducing fuel loads, and rejuvenating the soil. Based on a clear understanding of the importance of prescribed burns in post-wildfire restoration, we can better appreciate their role in the overall process. Before implementing a prescribed burn, careful planning is required to ensure its success and safety. This involves assessing the fire's potential effects on vegetation, soil, and wildlife, as well as considering weather conditions, available resources, and legal requirements. We will delve into the key steps involved in planning a prescribed burn and provide practical tips to ensure its effectiveness. Once the planning phase is complete, it is time to implement the prescribed burn. This is a crucial step that entails careful coordination, adherence to safety protocols, and collaboration with relevant authorities. We will cover the necessary preparations, including establishing fire breaks, managing smoke, and ensuring firefighter safety. We will also address the timing considerations and techniques for conducting the burn effectively. Monitoring and assessing the effects of a prescribed burn is essential to evaluate its success and make any necessary adjustments for future restoration efforts. We will outline the key indicators to assess, such as vegetation response, soil conditions, and wildlife habitat improvement. Furthermore, we will discuss the tools and techniques used to collect and analyze data during the monitoring process. Prescribed burns are just one tool in the toolbox of post-wildfire restoration. To achieve comprehensive restoration, prescribed burns need to be integrated with other techniques. We will explore potential synergies with erosion control measures, such as the use of biodegradable erosion control blankets and mulching. We will also consider revegetation strategies that can complement prescribed burns and enhance the restoration process. To reinforce the understanding of prescribed burns' effectiveness in post-wildfire restoration, we will dive into real-life case studies and success stories. This will allow us to explore different context, ecosystem types, and challenges faced, along with the outcomes achieved through the use of prescribed burns. Through these examples, we can gain valuable insights and draw inspiration for our own restoration efforts. In this section, we will provide a comprehensive list of best practices and recommendations for utilizing prescribed burns in post-wildfire restoration. These will cover aspects such as planning, coordination, safety monitoring, and integration with other restoration techniques. By following these guidelines, practitioners can maximize the benefits of prescribed burns while minimizing potential risks. In conclusion, prescribed burns are a valuable tool in post-wildfire restoration, and understanding their use and implementation is crucial for restoring ecosystems affected by wildfires. By following the outlined steps, considering best practices, and learning from success stories, practitioners can contribute to the long-term recovery and health of these ecosystems.